Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gumbo roux in the oven. First, combine equal parts fat and flour in a heavy-bottomed pot, like a Dutch oven or cast iron pot. For example, you might use 1 cup of oil and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Place the pot, uncovered, into a preheated oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This method offers a hands-off approach to achieving a rich, flavorful roux for your gumbo, minimizing the need for constant stirring. Once in the oven, the roux will begin to cook slowly. It's crucial to stir it every 30 to 45 minutes to ensure even browning and prevent any scorching on the bottom. You'll notice the color gradually deepen, transitioning from a light blonde to a peanut butter shade, and eventually to a rich chocolate brown. This slow cooking process develops a deep, complex flavor that is essential for authentic gumbo. Be patient, as good roux takes time. The desired color for gumbo roux is typically a dark chocolate brown, similar to a copper penny. This deep color signifies that the flour has been thoroughly toasted, imparting a nutty, robust flavor. The consistency should be smooth and pourable, not pasty or lumpy. Once your roux reaches this stage, remove it from the oven immediately to stop the cooking process. It will continue to darken slightly from residual heat. After removing the roux from the oven, let it cool completely at room temperature. This cooling process helps it thicken slightly and makes it easier to handle. Once cooled, you can transfer your homemade roux to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, or you can freeze it for several months. Having pre-made roux on hand significantly speeds up your gumbo preparation, making delicious meals more accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.